What's the meaning of acquisitive? Acquisitive. 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 Acquisitive refers to a tendency or desire to acquire or accumulate things, wealth, knowledge or power, often without regard for ethical or moral constraints. An acquisitive person may often be driven by a sense of materialism and ambition, seeking to build up their personal holdings at the expense of others or by any means necessary. The consequences of acquisitiveness can include a focus on personal gain over communal good, a lack of empathy for others or for the environment, and a disregard for social responsibility. At its worst, an acquisitive mindset can lead to greed, corruption, and exploitation.